guys want some cake?
What?
You guys want some cake?
Hell yeah.
Come get it, bitch. You come get it. Go, go.
Hit. Player walking through. Hit. Got it. Next player walking through. Please don't shoot me in the back.
Watch my front. I'm gonna go right. Hit. I'm dead. Dead man. Hey, follow me. Let's go. You see that straight ahead? We got friendlies straight ahead. We need to move across, help this guy out. We need to run or else we're gonna get shot. What? Like 3 or 4, cover me. Stay low and stay tight, guys. Is anyone behind a green crate? Friendly in.
Hey, you're dead. You're dead. I called Bane.
You're dead.
Hey!
He's out. Let him out. Go.
Get out! Bang!
You're dead. Get out.
Bang!
Hey, no bangs with pistols. Just fucking shoot him.
Wait. Is there a gun in that building?
Cover me.
Wait.
Hey!
Hold on. I'm sticking my gun out. Hold on.
If you're
Back
dead,
down. Let me talk.
Hey!
if you're dead, go. Bro, if you're,
Okay, I'm trying to explain.
Are you dead?
Did you bang this kid?
yeah, he got banged.
Okay.
Are you dead?
Let the kid
I'll
out.
cut it out too, because you guys got me hit.
We're clear. If you want to go to the right, it's clear. But straight ahead, there's some kid. I think.
I got you.
Gun hit. Ah, shit.
Hey, team! I'm sorry about
Boy!
that. You were in close, that's my
I know, I was getting their spawn, dude. Oh, I'm going the wrong spawn. Guys, remember, we have D spawn. I've been going to A.